Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to charge your speaker Baseus VO20 using your phone. All you need to have to do in it is just a USB-C to USB-C cable, but if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone, and right here near the controls we have this plug. Open it. Here we go, and now connect the USB-C cable right here also. And right here we can see this LED light, so it means that it's charging. That's it, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!